my little kids, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a new interesting video for you. Today I will learn you how to draw a beautiful castle with tracing. Here I draw a dotted picture, connect all the dots and see this will be a beautiful castle. Follow me and try to draw with me. I completed the picture. Now it's time to color it. Here I am using beautiful watercolor. First one I am using red color. Color, which color do you want? I want red color. Now I'm using yellow color. Color, which color do you want? I want yellow color. And here I'm using pink color. Color, which color do you want? I want pink color. Here I'm using brown color. Color, which color do you want? I want brown color. Let's use the light green color. Color, which color do you want? I want light green color.
You put me through, I give it up to you, I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited.
Here I'm using deep blue color. Color, which color do you want? I want deep blue color.
You're mine. It's right. It's right now.
Let's use the deep green color. Color, which color do you want? I want deep green color. Here I am again using yellow color.